Once upon a time, there was a man who owned a large garden. He had planted many fruit trees, tending to them with great care until they finally bore fruit. The man was proud of his garden, for it not only fed his family, but also provided an opportunity for him to earn money. He was eager to harvest the fruits and sell them. One day, as he and his son were picking the fruits, the gardener noticed an unfamiliar man sitting on a tree branch, picking the fruits. The gardener's heart filled with anger. He shouted, "Hey! What are you doing on my tree? Aren't you ashamed of stealing?" The stranger glanced down but didn't answer. He continued picking the fruits, unbothered. The gardener was furious and shouted again, "I have worked all year to grow these fruits. You have no right to take them without my permission. Come down right now." The stranger replied calmly, "Why should I come down? This is God's garden, and I am his servant. I have the right to take these fruits. You should not interfere with the work of God and his servant." The gardener was taken aback. He had never heard anyone speak this way before. His anger was replaced by confusion, but then a plan formed in his mind. He decided to teach the stranger a lesson. The gardener ordered, "If you are truly God's servant, you will obey me. Come down and speak to me." The stranger slowly climbed down from the tree, and the gardener quickly tied him to the tree with strong rope. Then he began to strike the stranger with a stick. The stranger cried out in pain, "Why are you beating me? I am an innocent man. You have no right to do this." Ignoring his cries, the gardener continued. But the stranger soon spoke again. "Don't you fear God? Are you not aware that you are striking an innocent soul? You claim to be God's servant, but how can you do such a thing?" The gardener paused, his anger beginning to fade. He looked at the stranger and asked, "Why do you speak so calmly while I beat you? You take my fruits without asking, and you say you are God's servant. How can this be?" The stranger smiled faintly, despite the pain. "I take the fruits not for myself, but to feed the hungry. God's garden is meant for all his children, not just for one. I should have asked for your permission first, but I did not think you would refuse a hungry soul." The gardener was stunned. He had never thought of his garden this way. The stranger's words had made him realize that the garden wasn't just for him, but for everyone in need. The gardener's heart softened, and he untied the stranger. "I am sorry," the gardener said. "I let my anger blind me. You are right. The fruits belong to God, and they should be shared." The stranger smiled and thanked him. "I ask for your forgiveness, and I promise to respect your garden in the future." The gardener let him go, and from that day forward, he shared the fruits of his labor with those in need, realizing that true wealth wasn't in what one owned, but in what one gave.